Hello, my name is Sherilyn May D. Hamora. I graduated at Immaculate Conception Archdiocesan School with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am the eldest of the family. I have one sister and one brother. The work of my mother is a daycare worker under VSWD. And the work of my father, he is a retired captain of BJMP, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, last 2012. My qualification include 2 to 3 months experiences on a job training at Garden Hotel, Alabar Seafood Restaurant, and on board in Super Ferry last 2012 and till 2014. I would like to discuss how I can bring the skills and experience to my internship. I'd applied to internship program where I know I can get excited about what the internship does. Your company is one of my greatest top choices. This job is really attractive to me because it combines my interest and experience in logistics. I have very good organization and time management skills, but my greatest strength is my ability to effectively work multitasking. My strength is patient enough to do work, open-hearted, honest, and friendly. I believe that I can do the same for your organization and would be a great addition to your team. Thank you.